why you do it, what you love about it.
Okay, so my name is Maggie Fair. I work at Mohawk College in the weld shop as a shop technician. I just started instructing continuing education, night school, running a Welding for Women class. I'm also a 5th year apprentice steam fitter and a 2nd year apprentice welder. So got into the trades because I knew I could make some money doing it. My dad was a tradesman, a millwright, and I actually started making art, steel sculptures. That's how I learned how to weld, and I just decided to learn it right. I went to school, did a little bit of training, and started working.
Oh, that's so cool. What kind of art do you do?
So I do sculpture and printmaking.
Oh, that's so awesome. Can you repeat that?
I do sculpture and printmaking.
Do you sell it anywhere?
I haven't had a lot of time since I started working. I've been working pretty steady, so I haven't had a lot of time to do my own artwork.
Why do you think other women should join the trades?
So I think women should join the trades because we're very underrepresented. I don't see very many women on the job. We can do it.
What do you think women would benefit from this course? Like, how do you think they benefit?
Just learning and getting a little exposure to welding, seeing that it's not scary, it's not just for men. It's dirty, it's hot, but we can do it. And we're generally pretty good at it. Learn quick, we listen.
That's so awesome. It's so true. I think it's so prominent. Like, we can do it. Like, we're capable. It's so freaking important. What other options are there for women-specific trade programs here?
At Mohawk? That'd be a better question for
Yeah.
Rebecca.
No worries. Why is learning through a trades program, like, want to touch on like how it's better than like academic learning because it's so hands-on?
Okay. So, learning in a shop, learning a skills trade rather than in a classroom, you're going to actually experience what it's like on the job. You're going to feel heat, feel sparks, hear how loud it is, get dirty. You're going to learn what it's like to actually do the job rather than sitting in a classroom talking about welding. You're not going to learn how to do it.
Yeah. That's awesome. Dude, you're doing dope hands. Like, you're feeling the
Honestly.
heat, you're feeling spark. I love it. So, what's your favorite part about the program? Like, what do you enjoy the most? Like, when you come to class, what part are you most passionate about? Is it the creating? Is it?
The thing I enjoy most about my job is building something, seeing something work at the end of the day. I'm a pipe fitter, so seeing the pipelines work. We have stuff run through them, whether it's water or natural gas. Just seeing that, hey, I built that, driving by a plant and being like, they're producing granola bars there, and I put the water lines in.
That's so cool. That's so awesome.
What can you tell us about the length of the program and like the length of the classes? Because that's just stuff that we'll have to include in the actual commercial.
Okay. So the Welding for Women class, it's a basic welding class. You're just going to get a little introduction into welding. We're going to do 2 types of welding, stick welding and MIG welding. So we limit how much they get to do just because it is a 8-week class, 3 hours a week. So they don't get a lot of time welding. That's why we limit what they get to do. So they get pretty competent in those 2 types of welding.
Cool. What do you think they gain from the most when women come and join this program? I know they're not usually expecting what to anticipate. What do you think they gain from the most once they leave the program?
I think they'll walk out with a little more confidence, knowing they can do something that they maybe never thought they could before.
Cool.
Can you say what you just said again and then include the terms women will walk out before? Because that would be a great end.
Yeah. It's like women will walk out of this program feeling
More
like
confident, like they can, like
do
exactly
this.
what you just said.
Exactly, just like that was such a good answer.
That was great.
Okay.
You're selling me on it.
Yeah.
I want to come. Yeah.
I can't remember exactly what I said.
I said, like, what do you think women
will walk away from,
with
and you
it.
said they'd walk out with more confidence knowing that they could do it
Yeah.
and stuff like, yeah.
Okay. So women will walk out of this course with more confidence, knowing that they can do something they never thought they could before.
Awesome.